Hi, it's Paul from HobbyLink International. Don't forget to use the subscribe button that's down there somewhere, and there's a bell as well to get notified of future videos from myself and Kenny. Today we're going to have a look at a new decal sheet from Lifelike Decals in 1/48 scale. This is all about Type 97 fighters, Part 5. Okay, so let's have a look and see what's inside the bag. So I'll just take things out to start with. So this obviously is Lifelike Decals 48057, Type 97 Fighters, Part 5. This is the Type 97, you might know it better as the Ki-27. You need the Hasegawa 1/48 kit for this, although I'm interested to see if it would fit on any other manufacturers. What else we got? Lifelike Decals wants to hear from you. There's their email address, there's their website, and if somebody has, should we say, more information about a particular decal sheet, or even an individual aircraft on a decal sheet, they'll post them on their website. And as you can see, there's 8 aircraft in this. So let's have a look at, to start with, that's the top sheet. These are the common stencils for on top of the wings and underneath, undercarriage. These are basically, this is this black bit there, that's the engine. You're looking straight at the aircraft, and the little red decals at the side are markings for synchronizing the machine guns to fire through the propeller. 23 references were used in putting these together, and let's look here. There's the 8 aircraft, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Most of them, as with the Ki-27s, are this sort of, what in reality is probably closer to a grey with a green tint to it. And looking at wartime colour photographs, it's sort of varies a little bit, but it's not, unlike a Luftwaffe colour, is similar. And then what they also have is, here is basically this, what they also provide is a whole heap of information about how they came to, should we say, basically put the images together, basically using the, where are we here? Using these references, how they use those references to put these, should we say, colour options together. And this is sort of an explanation of how it all fits together. Any particular peculiarities about each aircraft, aircraft history, where possible. And they go into a lot of detail. They're really interesting reads. And it'll also tell you for each aircraft which references were used, which pieces of information were pulled from which references. And they'll even go down to things as where something, when they've found a photograph, but it doesn't show everything, how they've put things together, like what assumptions they've made. Like often a commander's aircraft would have, see these stripes, they'd often be blue for a commander's aircraft, like these ones here. So they'll make assumptions like that. If they can't see it, they'll make some logical assumptions to fill in the gaps. But of course, these are wonderfully researched decal options. They give you a lot of information, some very unusual colour schemes, and pretty unique aircraft. So all very nice. So let's have a look at the decals themselves. So you get basically 3 sheets. These masks are for the cowlings, so you just cut them out. They're just paper, there's nothing to peel, but you can use those for the basically because when they painted these, let's say the aircraft would originally be this sort of very light green colour. Then when if it was an aircraft where the nose is going to be a different colour like that one, what they would do is they would put a mask over these synchronizing marks, and when the aircraft was painted, the background to the synchronizing marks would still be the light green. So that's where those come in. So you've got, was that 2 complete sets of Hinamura there, 2 smaller ones. Decal sheet itself, the main one. Minimal backing, as far as I can see, the little bit in certain places. The only other bits that are blatantly obvious are things where you want things to line up together, like the numbers, where you want things to line up easily. Nice bright colours, nice and colourful. In fact, very nice. So many thanks from Lifelike Decals. There's full scans of all these on the website, and a link underneath the video to the website where you can see scans of all this and read all that text for yourself, and also to their website where you can buy these.